Hi, I'm Kayla with the Window Experts. Today I'll be showing you how to clean your windows in just 5 easy steps. Here's what you'll need. All right, before we get started, I have a pro tip for you. You don't need any fancy window cleaning solution. In fact, in the 15 years that I've been doing this, my preferred solution is Dawn dish soap. You're gonna use 1/3 teaspoon to 1 gallon of water. It's the perfect amount. Let's get started. Step 1, I'm gonna take my rag, wipe the edges of the frames to get any loose dirt, pollen, or cobwebs off of the frame first. Tuck that away, and now step 2, I'm going to use my mop to scrub the glass. This is one of the reasons that I love Dawn dish soap. It's strong enough to tear through bug spots, dirt, grime, and it's going to help the squeegee here in a moment. Now, step 3, we're going to squeegee left to right across the glass, and we're going to wipe the squeegee in between with our driest towel. I like to do the top and bottom pane at the same time. Now, step 4, I'm going to take this same towel that I used before, and I'm going to wipe the bottom of the window frame to get all of that extra dirt off. In step 5, we're going to wipe the excess water from the edges of the glass. So you're simply just wiping the edges of the glass to get the water off. And we'll take our cleanest, driest towel and look for any touch-ups. So far, this window looks great. And there you have it. You've got a clean window in just 5 easy steps. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, share it with your friends, your family, and thank you so much for watching.